trouble? I just don't want the kids to hear what I have to ask you. How much did he say that she was drinking?
Don't know, but she was walking around all weird and has fallen down and everything over the park.
It's right here.
I understand.
It's right here. Please don't.
A mother, 7 children, one 10-second decision. At what point does a driver's choice become a criminal act against someone else? And what does the law actually require before an officer can make an arrest?
Hi. Are you just over at the park?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to step out of the car so we can talk without the kids? You're not in any trouble. I just don't want the kids to hear what I have to ask you. Just want to come back here. Were you, like, drinking or anything at the park? No? Okay. Is there any reason why anybody would think that you'd be, like, intoxicated tonight? No. Was the kids, like, acting funny or anything like that?
I've got a lot of kids.
Huh?
There's a lot of kids in there, so...
Okay. And you haven't drank anything tonight? Nothing like that? Okay. You don't have any, like, little shooter bottles or anything
Oh,
in there?
no.
No? Okay. Who's this in the front seat with you?
My daughter, she's small.
Do you have your ID that I can just run you real quick? And if you want, you can just go ahead and have a seat in the car, okay? She's walked out of the car for me fine. She got, like, in the car for me fine. She has, like, besides her in the van, every other seat that's possible in a minivan is filled with a child. I couldn't smell anything. Like, I could smell pizza on her breath, but I couldn't smell anything. And then, hi.
Hi. That's my girlfriend, and that's all, like, my kids and their friends in the van.
Yep, no, we're good. We're good. We're okay.
Is there anything...
Nope, you're good.
I know that she's been drinking.
She has been? Okay, so that's... Did you call in?
No, it was actually my buddy, but he was the one that told us.
Okay. How much did he say that she was drinking?
Don't know, but she was walking around all weird and has fallen down and everything over the park.
It was at the park. So when did he call you?
Like literally 5 minutes before, and then a few times after she got pulled over.
Okay.
Did you come from this? Is this your car?
No, this is actually her brother-in-law's car, and he just so happens to have pulled up in my driveway when I was walking this way.
How often does she normally drink?
She drinks.
All the time?
She was sober for probably 20 days.
Hello. How you doing?
Oh, great. I don't have my seatbelt on, but...
Were you getting in and out of the car?
No, what happened?
Huh?
I don't know why she pulled me over.
Okay.
Can you go ahead and help out again?
For what?
We're going to run you through fields, okay? Do you want to retell me if you were drinking at the park?
I was not. I was just trying to get
Yeah. Okay. So somebody called in, and another person called, and they said that you're drinking at the park, your pants were falling down. Do you remember any of that happening?
her pants suck.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Have you had any alcohol today at all? You haven't? Okay, what do you got in your mouth?
Pizza.
Pizza? Okay, do you want to, like, spit it out, or I'll swallow it really quick for me? Do you normally drink alcohol, like, when you get off work or anything like that? No? Did you work today?
I did.
You did? Okay. I'm just gonna run you through some fields really quick.
I was with other people.
Who else were you with at the park?
Was it just you and kids, or? I was with a couple other people. I don't know if that was the problem or what, but I'll do whatever I have to do.
Okay.
I'm not trying to be a bug.
No. Do you have any beef with anybody that would, like, call in and say that you were drinking and then trying to leave with the kids?
I hope not.
Or do you have any, like, relationship issues, boyfriend, husband, or anything like that?
I can't stand him, but yeah.
Okay. Like he wanted to call you? Nothing like that? Okay.
I know the other person I was with does have a alcohol problem.
Okay.
So I don't know.
Was it a male or a female that was with you?
Male.
A male. Okay. So you're just gonna have to follow the tip of my finger and then try not to move your head at all, okay? Oop. Don't move your head. Just follow it with your eye. Okay, take a break. You can blink and everything really quick.
I'm sorry, it's just like weird.
No, you're okay, you're okay. This time we're gonna go up. So, the next one, let's move up to here where it's more straight, okay? So you're going to put your left foot on the line, and then put your right foot in front with your heel touching your toes,
Left foot
okay?
in front. Right foot.
Yep, so your right foot in front of that with your heel touching your toes. When I tell you to start, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down, make a small series steps, and then you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back, and you're going to count aloud. Don't start until I tell you to, okay?
Who's watching them?
You want to go watch? I'm okay. Yeah, I'm fine. So you're going to do 9 heel-to-toe steps. You're going to have your arms down at your sides. I'm going to demonstrate what it's going to look like, all right? This is going to be 1, 2, 3. You're going to keep that front foot planted, and you're going to make a turn of 3 small steps. Don't start until I tell you to start.
3, 4, 5. I hear them yelling. I just hear them yelling. So I'm sorry.
Okay? Alright, so your next one is going to be the one leg stand, okay? You're going to turn this way and face me. So you can choose either your right foot or your left foot. It doesn't matter. It's got to be about 6 inches off the ground, so it's like the height of a soda can, okay? You're going to have your hands out of your pockets, down at your sides. And then you can choose either one, and it's going to look something like this. And you're going to count out loud, 1001, 1002, 1003, and so forth until I tell you to start. Well, don't start yet. I got to get a timer out, okay?
I'm sorry.
Do you understand those instructions?
No, I'm just insanely like the other people that I was with. I was.
Okay, so remember you're going to count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003 until I tell you to stop. You can choose either your right or left foot to raise up, okay? You ready?
No, I'm not. I'm sorry. Like,
No, you can take a
I'm
break.
very upset. Like,
You ready? You got to make sure you raise your foot up, okay? And keep your toe
All the way
pointed
up?
down. Yep.
1, 2, 1002, 1003. I'm sorry. I'm so upset.
You want to try it again? Ready? So watch my feet. Ready? So you're going to go like this. You're going to go 1001, 1002, 1003 until I tell you to stop, okay? You got it? You tell me when you're ready to go.
So 1002, 1003, 1004, 1000.
Can you lift your foot off the ground?
1006, 1007, 1008, 1009.
Keep your hands down at your sides. There, keep going.
1002, 1003. Like, how are we supposed to start it? Like, I'm sorry.
You want to start it one more time?
I wasn't the problem at the park. I can tell you that.
Ready? We'll do it one more time.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1008, 1009.
You done? Okay.
Are you willing to blow into a PBT?
A breathalyzer test.
I don't care.
Say yes or no.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
What if I say no?
I mean, it's up to you.
Well, I'll say no then.
No.
Okay, we'll go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Oh, no. No. Hey, I'll do it. Hey, no, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Stop.
Hey, come on. Please,
Stop.
Please don't do this. I'll do it. Get it right there. Please stop. Please.
Do you have anything in your pockets that's going to sticker poke me?
I might have a pocket knife in this one.
Which pocket?
It'd be
Your
yeah.
bubble pocket? Okay.
Yeah. Can we not do this? In front of my kids. Like, I'll take them home.
No, you're not going home.
No, like, what about my kids?
We'll get in contact with.
No, it's right here.
I understand.
It's right here. Please don't. It's right here.
Everything back here is audio, video recorded, okay?
It's right here. Like, our house is literally right here. Can they at least get home?
Yep.
Who's gonna take them home? Who's gonna take them home?
Navarette v. California, 2014. The Supreme Court held that an anonymous 911 call reporting a specific vehicle driven by an impaired driver supplies sufficient reasonable suspicion for a traffic stop, Pennsylvania v. In 1977, officers conducting a lawful traffic stop may order the driver to exit the vehicle as a matter of course. No additional justification is required. This is settled law. NHT standardized field sobriety tests. HGN, walk and turn. One leg stand, when all three are properly administered. Combined accuracy reaches 82 to 93%. Deviation from protocol affects both reliability and admissibility. Implied consent doctrine. By choosing to operate a motor vehicle on a public road, driver implicitly consents to chemical testing when officers have lawful grounds to suspect impairment. This consent is not revocable at the roadside. South Dakota v. Neville 1983. A driver's refusal to submit to a breath test is admissible at trial as evidence of consciousness of guilt. The Fifth Amendment does not shield this inference. Birchfield v. North Dakota, 2016. Breath test administered incident to a lawful DUI arrest requires no warrant. Fourth Amendment is not violated. Blood draws remain subject to warrant requirements. Critical lesson. Refusal does not reset probable cause. Witness statements. Dispatch records. And FST performance are independent legal grounds for arrest. A change of mind after refusal carries no legal weight in virtually every U.S. jurisdiction. DUI with minor passengers is charged as a separate criminal offense per child. 7 children means 7 counts. Each minor is a distinct victim in the eyes of the law. Key takeaway: the consequences of refusing a chemical test attach at the moment of refusal, not at the moment of arrest. Understanding implied consent before declining is not optional. Knowledge of the law is the first line of legal self-protection. 7 counts. 1 refusal, a decision made in seconds. Was this a failure of judgment, of legal knowledge, or both? And what happens to the children caught inside a chain of events? No one stopped in time.